1997 Haas VF4. It's February 2023. 50-inch X travel, 20-inch Y. 7,500 RPM spindle, Cat 40, 20 tool changer. See, it's running right now at 3,000 RPM. We'll go ahead and give it some more. There's 4,500. You can hear the spindle's quiet. I'll go ahead and turn the spindle off. We can run the axes. There's X. And Y. Z. Make a tool change. Again, it's a Haas VF4 1997.